What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video, to another vlog of Life with Lindsay. Today it's 3:30 in the afternoon and it is April 29th. We're getting a pretty late start on today's video just because we've been outside for the most part of the day and we had a rough afternoon yesterday. Like you guys saw, I didn't vlog at all yesterday just because it seems like Grecia got like a 24-hour bug. She did have a lot of diarrhea. TMI, I'm so sorry for those of you who get grossed out, but she's only a little baby. She did have really bad diarrhea and then she got a diaper rash, like the worst. But if you guys want a cure for a diaper rash, put manteca. I know it sounds weird, but put manteca real quick, it's gonna go away. Like it got to the point where she was bleeding and stuff because of how often she was literally going like every 15 to 20 minutes, like back to back. I think we went through like one whole side of like a pack of diapers. It was insane. But so far she's only gone once today and it has been controlled. I did have her on the brat diet, which is just bananas, dry Rice Krispies, applesauce, and toast. No milk, just water. And it seems to have subsided a little bit, like her diarrhea. She's already telling me that she wants other food. Like she's already starting to ask me for other stuff. So I don't know if her diarrhea has gone away. I don't know if I should try to give her a little bit of food to see if the diarrhea is gonna come back or what. I'm hoping it was just a 24-hour bug. But Bert right now is outside cleaning the yard, or he's cleaning under the porch. We are going to be cleaning the yard later on, but we did come inside because it's her nap time already. From between 3 to 5 is her nap time. So right now she's playing and I am editing this makeup look that I have on today. It's using a one brand, so I'm pretty sure you guys have already seen this. So I'm editing this video right now. I am using my computer again. I do edit on Final Cut, so it had been a while since I used my computer and I was scared that I had like lost my touch, but no, it came back to me right away. Really focusing on getting good quality videos out there for you guys, something super fun for you guys to watch and enjoy. So if there's like a specific video or whatever that you guys want to see, then just let me know and we can whip something up for you guys. And baby girl's over there getting out her, I think she's getting the little notepad. Yep, there's the pen. She loves to write. That's what she's doing. Say bye-bye, mama.
Bye.
You're welcome. She's starting to say thank you now. Every time I give her something, she says thank you. Say hi, Sadie. Let's go bye-bye. Come on. Come on, let's go. Yeah. Let's go.
Wanna go?
We're going to Ace Hardware because we are gonna go get another hook for baby swing, because the branch that we had it on, it like the branch like ate through the freaking chain or whatever. So Bert had to break through it so that he could take it off, and we're gonna put it onto a taller branch. And it's 4:30. What, is it spilling?
No, but it's...
We have water in the back. And baby girl.
Oh, wait for her to leave.
Orale!
Look this baby.
Hurry up.
Wait, dude.
Why are you gonna wait for her to leave? She's probably gonna eat it there with the kid. Go away, lady, I don't know you. Go away, lady, I don't know you. Go away. Shh. Shh.
You idiot. No.
Shh.
You guys. Pinch me. You're pinching my arm. Guys, he made me get off to cook. It's a corn, Mexican corn, and a mango smoothie with chamoy, and it's got sour powers on top. Are we home already? We're pretty much the worst parents ever, y'all. We waited until she woke up, come home. Because for one, she needed to sleep. But two, because we wanted to eat our corn. Come on, let's go.
Come on.
Come on. We wanted to enjoy our corn and our drink. My drink. Look at this mess. And I just raked like this chunk here. We still need to take out all of those weeds. But are you ready? You can see how like where the chain link was over here and right here, but it like ate through it. So Bert had to take it off, and we're gonna move it to a better spot. Yay, mommy! Wee! Say wee! 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 Roscoe! 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 It's super late at night. We just finished. And my makeup still going strong. Hello. Hello. Say hello. Hello. So I still haven't finished editing the video, and it's already 8 o'clock at night. I'm gonna finish editing the video real quick, and then I'm gonna get started on dinner. I'm gonna make some like little, what are they called? They are chuck shoulder steak. Okay, let's get started on dinner. I was so hungry, I dug in. I didn't even show y'all. The super fast, quick, and easy dinner. Do you approve?
Could have been spicy.
Mine is super spicy. I think I got yours because I made one hotter than the other. And this little girl was just dying to eat. She was so hungry. She had a meltdown and everything for Papa, right? So I just made her some nuggets. I toasted them, and she's eating ranch style beans and corn too.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I'll let you eat in peace. Tell them what you just did. Tell them what you just did. Yeah, you look. You threw your plate on the floor. You just swung it with all your might. It's time to buy the Easy Peasy mats or plates, whatever they're called. Do you want to sponsor me now, Easy Peasy? I'd really appreciate it because I don't want to pick up corn and nuggets off the floor. Why did you do that? Why are you throwing your stuff? But this, on the other hand, is taking life. I really thought that I was going to be able to upload it tonight, but apparently not. Apparently not. It's gonna take forever. Now I remember why I hated editing on my computer. It's just so much faster on my phone. Like, I would have already been uploading to YouTube if I was doing it on my phone. But so this video is probably gonna go up tomorrow, and then this vlog is probably gonna go up the day after. I just have to edit like during the day and stuff, and that's my bad because I should have edited this really early in the morning as soon as I finished filming it, but we were cleaning the yard and stuff. So are you singing the Itsy Bitsy Spider?
I do.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. You sing it. Wow, you sing so nice. Well, we are gonna take a shower. It's 10:30 at night already, and we're pretty much gonna go to bed. The video is still not, it's still at like 30-something%, so it's gonna take forever. You guys are not gonna see that till tomorrow, which is yesterday for you guys watching this today. And we will see you guys in tomorrow's video. You ready? She's playing with my pads. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.